Hi everybody, it's Julie from SwissLink and Wavian USA. Thought I'd make a short instructional video for you guys today. I got some questions on how the locking pin works, how to open and close the can properly so you don't bend your lid. So first of all, it has the safety locking pin in here, which is pretty tight when you get it the first time. It takes a little bit of wiggling. This one has been opened and closed a couple times. It just pulls out just like that. It does have a bend in it. That's for a reason. It's a safety pin. It's supposed to be difficult to get open. It's a child safety lock. So to get it back in, you can put it in, and if you push it down, it'll lock it. Sometimes people think it won't line up. You can also flip it over to line it back up. So fairly easy. Take it out. That's how you open your... This is designed so if you have it open like that and you tip it forward, it's not going to fall forward and close on you if you didn't have the nozzle on. But what you need to do when you close it is lift up and forward, because if you try to force it, it will bend it and then your gas can will leak. So it's very important to lift up and forward, and it's easy close. You put your pin back in. So that's a good tip for you. Putting the nozzle on is also fairly easy. Make sure it's on straight, and that just clamps on nice and tight. And then once you are pouring and you get the fuel flowing, that force of the can will open up the nozzle to get it flowing. Important not to lower the can below what you're filling too much, because it'll put too much pressure on that end of that nozzle and can break. Also, if you have any vehicle or lawnmower, quad, anything like that, use the unleaded adapter. You just line up the little breather holes and that will go in, and that will help you for fueling as well. If you have anything with a smaller filler neck, that's what it's for. So pretty easy. Just wanted to give you guys some tips on not breaking your nozzle and not bending your lid. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you.